Hello, beautiful family. What's up, you guys? Thank you so much for clicking my video. I have another wig show and tell for you all today. This wig is from UNice Hair. This is going to be a very easy install that's beginner friendly. If you're interested in this wig during the video or by the end of the video, the website link to this wig, direct store, and social media links will be in the description box, love. When you order, you get some goodies in the box. The wig comes neatly stored in this long clear plastic baggie. They sent over some eyelashes, a makeup brush, a UNice edge band, 2 HD wig caps, a sticky notepad, and a UNice pink silk robe. And what a coinky dink, I got another pack of HD wig caps, and I'm really excited because I love these. Get ready for this install, beautiful, because this is going to be quick and easy. Okay, I lied. It's not going to be quick, but it's definitely going to be easy. Here's a close-up of the inside cap construction. It comes with a 6x4.5 pre-cut closure parting space. This is made on a ventilated cap, good for your hair to breathe underneath, and you can itch your scalp. The edges of the cap have a soft latex material so it can help your wig not slip. There are 3 combs altogether on the inside of the wig. There are no adjustable straps, but it do come with a removable adjustable elastic band. Here is the wig straight out of the package. The curl pattern is curly. The hair comes pre-colored. The texture of the hair feels silky soft to me. The closure is 6 inches wide on the hairline and 4.5 inches deep for the parting space. And as you guys can see, the lace comes pre-cut and the hairline comes pre-plucked. The knots on this wig is a little visible, but it's okay because the hair color is light. So I'm going to take the Wig Guru lace tint in the shade Caramel Frappe, and I like to spray some of this underneath the hairline, but only to the spots that I'll be showing, so that's the parting space and hairline. I would show you guys how I spray it on camera, but I don't want it to splash on my walls. I'm going to use Nair OB Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion to style the curls and water in a 360 mist spray bottle. It's just warm water in there. So first I brush out the curls and then I go in with the water first, and I'm just misting the hair. I'm not gonna drench the hair in water, just wet it enough until I start to see the curls coming defined. After I get the hair nice and wet, I'm going to go in with the Nair OB Rapid Shine and pump some of this all over the curls. Then go in with the brush and brush it onto the curls. Then I'm going to start crunching up the hair with my hands. I defined the curl in 3 sections all together, and the same method that I did in the back of the hair is the same method I'm going to do all over the hair. After I was done defining the curls, I was debating on leaving the wig to air dry, but I wanted to go in with this Revlon blow dryer with a curl diffuser to help dry the curls just a little bit faster. So I went in with the blow dryer. I saw my sis Kyra Shawn use this blow dryer, and I must say I really do love this blow dryer. So I go in, I didn't want the hair dripping all over the floor while it was air drying. So I just went in and blow dried it a little bit. I didn't blow dry it until it was fully dry. So the wig is not 100% dry, but it's getting there. I'm going to leave it on the mannequin head to dry overnight. I also went in and added some baby hairs in the front and already went in and curled it. So when it's time to style it on me, it already has its shape. And this was the amount of shedding I got all together after defining the curls. Here I am, here I am, here I am, here I am, and it's time for the wig install. This is how the wig looks fully air dried the next day. I personally had time to let the wig air dry overnight. If you don't have time, then I recommend going in with the blow dry diffuser and blow drying it 100%, or you could just go outside and let this heat air dry it. So underneath the wig, I went in and applied some makeup powder underneath the lace. I used the Maybelline Fit Me Powder 360. Only applied it to the spots that I'll be showing, so that's the parting space and hairline. I'm going to use that adjustable elastic band that they put in there. And I made the elastic band not too tight. Underneath the wig, I'm going in with a brown stocking cap. Now that I think about it, I hope I'm not talking too fast. I hope y'all picking up what I'm putting down. And the curls that come straight out the package on this wig is really nice, but I just want to go in and see how the wig looked more defined. I feel like I would like it more that way. So we are going to do a glueless wig install today, baby. First, I am going to clip back the hair so I can focus on the hairline. And I'm going to use this Pump It Up spritz to help style the baby hairs. And I also use a edge brush. So when styling the baby hair, since the baby hair is already pre-curled, I spray the brush and then I go in and just play with the baby hairs until I like it. So I am satisfied with my temple swoops right here. Now it's time to move on and add a little bit of powder to the parting space. The powder I'm going to use is the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360, and I just apply some of this powder to the parting space so the parting space could look a little bit more like scalp, and it also help hide the knots and grids on the lace as well. Okay, beautiful family, right here is my end results, and all right, this is not bad. Definitely beginner friendly. The curls that come straight out of the package is nice, but like I said before, I like the defined look more. I could have definitely flattened the parting space a little bit more now that I'm watching it over, but otherwise I feel like this is some good end results for this wig show and tell. Again, this is UNice Hair Honey Blonde Highlight Wig. This is their 6.45 pre-cut closure wig. Definitely beginner friendly. I honestly recommend. Can we get into this color though? This is so cute for summer right now. It's not too dark, it's not too bright. The highlights isn't too chunky, and the highlights don't have this harsh line of demarcation when it fade from the roots. It's really pretty. Even the curl pattern is pretty. The length of this wig is 24 inches. My height is 5'6". To me, the hair density feels like a 3 bundles with a closure. So I would say the hair density is like 160% in my opinion. I styled this wig straight out of the package. When I received it, it didn't come with no foul odor. But if you want, you could definitely go in and wash your wig. You can even just co-wash it. It will help define the curls even better as well. And because it comes with a closure, you can part this wig in the right, middle, or left. I just chose the middle part, and this install is glueless. The only thing I could find at the moment was my scissor to show you guys that the hairline is not sprayed down, it's not glued down. Like what? You can be on the go with this wig. And to get it to last longer, I recommend like taking it off at night. You could put on your mannequin head or lay it down neatly so the curls could be nice and prepped for the next day. When they asked me about this wig, they didn't ask about what wig size that I wanted. So I do believe this wig only come in one size fits all. My head circumference is 22 inches if you guys didn't know, and it fits pretty snug on me. I love it. I love when I split the hair in the back. My tracks are showing and you can't see my wig cap. Oop, oop. Look at these curls from root to tip. It's beautiful, and I just love the golden color. It's a really gorgeous color, you guys. And since this wig is glueless and it comes with that adjustable elastic band, I must say it fits pretty snug with the little rubber edges that's on the band. Like it has a really nice grip, and it's not a hard grip that's going to give me a headache. The parting space is not bad at all. It is definitely giving scalp, and I love how the parting space come pre-plucked. Here's a close-up for the hairline for anybody that's curious for when the wind blow. Not bad. The main focus is the forehead. It is definitely giving frontal action. Really, really nice. And again, the length is 24 inches on me. UNice Hair is known for having this wig in frontal form. So if you don't want the closure, but you love the look and you want a frontal look, it is available on their website. This is just made for beginners that want the frontal look, but without the hassle. You can put this wig on in 1 minute and be on the go. Is it just me, or is this wig giving Beyonce? It's super gorgeous. Yes, drunk in love. Okay, let me not start. So that's pretty much it, you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for taking time to watch. See you guys later.